Yo, what's up guys? This is Zero here, and I have a new accessory for the Cybertruck. I finally got the T Sportline side runners here, and man, they look so good. I'm gonna show you guys how to install them. It's pretty quick, takes like maybe 10 minutes to do it right, but let's get into it. All right guys, so this side isn't done yet. So you're gonna have 5 brackets right there, and they're gonna go into here. Now I'm gonna show you guys something. This side's gonna go onto the actual Tesla Cybertruck. This side is gonna go and it's gonna sit right there, and they're gonna screw into the screw holes. Very, very, very easy. Now I'm gonna get underneath the truck. I'm gonna show you guys. So there's one of the mounting points. There's another one over there, and then there's 2 behind me. So I'm gonna get a couple of these on and I'll be back. So now that these are strapped in, now when you do this, you wanna make sure these screws are only hand tight. You wanna still make sure that they move a little bit, so then you can make sure that you line up the holes. So there's the rest of the screws. Now I want to make sure that you guys know, I want you to check out this. This piece right here is longer. That's how you're going to know that it goes on the back side of the vehicle. This side, the angle's a little shorter. It's a little stubbier. And then you're going to lift that piece onto those brackets and then screw in the bolts. So here's why I was saying that you want to have everything finger tight. So in these, you can adjust the bars and make sure that you find the right screw holes and make sure they line up perfectly. Then when everything's done, you can go ahead and tighten everything up. And that is the finished product. Now, you can see I made sure that there was a little gap and it wasn't touching the side, and I did that on purpose. I didn't want it to rub up against the plastic, but it is sturdy. It's amazing. I love the look. It's absolutely great. T Sportline, you guys knocked it out of the park. Great job. I love these. Everybody needs to get these. All right, guys, enjoy the rest of your day, and like and subscribe for more Tesla Cybertruck and Tesla news. I'll be doing a whole bunch of accessories for my Cybertruck. Yeah, I hope to see you guys on the next video. Take it easy, guys.